What's up, guys? How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. It's your boy CryptoMykel here, and well, I have not made a video in quite a long time. So, I've been really busy. I do work for a mining company now, so I have been preoccupied setting up 40 megawatts of hydro the past couple months, ever since we got back from mining Disrupt. Been in the grind, as we say. I've missed you all. I hope you've all have had an interesting time. Bitcoin's been up, Bitcoin's been down, mining's been back, mining's gone away. You know, the typical spiel of the cryptoverse. And well, I just hope you all have powered through it. Regardless if you are currently mining, if you're not mining, if you're hodling, selling, I hope you're still here. I hope you're still mining. I hope you're just still in the present. Don't live up too much in the past, because it's really not going to take you any further forward in the future. So, man, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please post those down in the comment section down below. I would love to see what you guys have been up to. And be sure to, do the like, subscribe, bell notification thing. YouTube does like that. I don't care if you do or don't. We do not make a lot off of this channel, and now we been away so long that we make nothing. And we're happy about it. So, let's get back into the way things, kind of our grassroots, if you so to say. I do have a package that we need to open up and get up and maybe running. I'll probably have that on a separate video, but just kind of wanted to come in here, talk to y'all, see what's up, and have something to update y'all with. So, as most of you know, we went to mining Disrupt this year, and not this last year, but we were talking to Coin Mining Central, and I was talking to them, and I ended up winning a Dogecoin miner from Gold Shell, the mini Doge 2, and the control board's dead. So when working with Gold Shell, haven't heard anything back from Gold Shell anymore on when I'm getting my control board. So who knows if we'll ever get that thing fixed. But I've been really busy, and I could have missed some messages between now and then. But they were offering to just send me the money to replace the control board. I had already purchased the control board. So I said, hey, well, could you send me anything else I can make some content over? So they actually did send me some bytes. So I ended up getting a Gold Shell byte. I think I have, there's the charger. This one was DG card, so that one does Dogecoin. And I did get an AE card. So they sent me over a full kit for the Gold Shell byte. Is not really a sponsored video. They did send it to me, but it was in place of sending me money to replace the money that I spent on the control board. I mean, they didn't even have to do that, right? They could have just said, oh, you want it, fixing it is up to you. Gold Shell didn't honor the warranty because it was purchased from a third-party dealer, even though it was a giveaway. So, not sure how that classifies as purchasing from a third party, but regardless, they didn't have to refund me money to spend to fix that machine at all, But instead, I did ask. I said, hey, can you send me something else? I've already paid for it. whatever. And they did. They were just going to send me the gold shell bite and the DG card, but looks like they ended up sending me the full kit anyway. Super cool. So I will have I will post a different video for like getting this thing up and running, but overall it's actually pretty cool. We saw it mining disrupt. A bunch of our fellow tubers have had these, and I'm super behind on the game, but it is a cool product nonetheless. I hope I have better luck than I think Geek of All Trades. His original gold shell bite did not work due to some firmware stuff. So hopefully we have good luck and we won't have any issues. So please subscribe to the channel if you would like to see that video. Like I said, this is not really a sponsored video, but thank you, Coin Mining Central, for sending this over and not just saying you're out of luck. So we did have to pay tariffs for this. I had to pay tariffs on the miner, and I haven't had to do that since we purchased ASICs way back in the day, and that was kind of crappy. Paying tariffs on DHL sucks. We'll just say that straight out and forward. It is not a pleasurable experience, to say the least. But nonetheless, we got it. I've missed you guys, and we'll see you all on the next one. Right? The next one's going to be opening up this gold shell bite. So I'm going to get to work on that. You're going to see this, and we'll see y'all next time. Much love. Peace out. Stay freaking savage. And keep your hash rates up, your watts down low. And we'll see you all on the next one. Peace.